Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you today. And if you see right here, it's another package from Qilo, but it's a big one. Alright guys, so if you can see this, it's a fairly large package. You can see I am in half zoom instead of regular zoom. This is the Qilo Tactical Sherpa. This is the World War II camo version. So obviously a little bit large. I believe this is the jungle one. Or this might be the beach one. I think this is the beach one because there's more sandy colors on there. But this was one of the camouflages that they used during the island hopping campaign in World War II. So super awesome. If you guys don't know me by now, I'm a big history nerd. So yeah, this is the World War II camo. Obviously you have your logo in here, and then if we unzip this, it's nice and fuzzy on the inside. Feels pretty thick too, which is good. I am a big fan of 3/4 zips and big fuzzies such like this, so I'm very curious how this will do when it's windy, because I have one from Patagonia and the wind blows right through it. So when there's no wind, it's great, but when there is wind, not the best option to wear outside, and you would have to wear this with layers. So on the sleeves here, you can see there's this stretchy bungee kind of material, so that'll probably wrap around your wrists as such. And there are zippers on each side. Looks like enough to fit like a wallet or a phone. So there's left side, or this is your left side, this is your right side. There is one chest pocket on the left side. Probably throw some keys in here. No hood. Other than that, not too much to it. Super excited to start wearing this. It is getting into the winter time here in New Jersey, so this will be a nice addition to the closet. You can see here, these are your nice YKK zippers. Always some quality stuff. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.